हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम लोग इस ड्राइंग को देखने वाले हैं ऑटोकैड में, किस तरह से हम लोग इसको ड्राइंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। तो हम लोग आते हैं ऑटोकैड में। ये हमारा कुछ यहाँ से हमारा 16 का डायमीटर है, उसके बाद ये हमारा कुछ 60 का डायमीटर है और ये हमारा 40 का, ठीक है ना। 16, 60 एंड 40। ओके, सो मैं ऑटोकैड में आ जाऊँगा। 16 डायमीटर आई वांट। ओके, आई वांट 16 डायमीटर। फर्स्ट आई विल टेक 0.3 mm थिकनेस, दिस विल बी ऑन। अब मेरे को चाहिए 16 का डायमीटर। ओके, कुछ इस तरह से एंटर। ओके, ये हमारा 16 का डायमीटर हो गया है। उसके बाद हमें चाहिए एक 60 का डायमीटर। ओके, 60 का डायमीटर आई वांट 60। ओके, दिस इज आवर डायमीटर। नाउ आई वांट 40 diameter as a center line. Okay, so I will take center line. Others I will take node dash file. Okay, okay, or okay here. Okay, 40 diameter I want. Okay, this is our like 40 diameter. Okay, so okay. Now what I have to do? There is a 10 mm diameter hole and 4 piece. Okay, so I will take 10 mm diameter hole. First we will click on over it. LTS limit type scale. Enter. I want 0.2, 0.5. Okay, this is okay. Now we will change by layer. Okay, I want diameter 10 mm like that. Okay, 10 mm diameter. Okay, this is our 10 mm diameter. One more time. 10 mm diameter. Okay, here we will take enter. We will take radius 5 mm radius. Okay, enter. This is 5.5 mm radius. Okay, so this is our drawing now. Now what I have to do? There is a distance between 70 mm. Okay, 70 into 40. So I will take one line, 70 into 40 offset. Okay, here enter one more time like that. Okay, enter. I want an offset about 40 mm this side or 70 mm this side. Okay, so I will take offset 40 mm. Enter this point to this side. Okay, now we will take enter, or 70 mm I want this line to this side. Okay, so this is our okay. Now I will take one more offset about 40. Okay, this line become this line. Okay, so line has been ready. Now what I have to do? There is a R15 radius or R10 diameter. Okay, so R10 diameter first we will take R10 diameter, enter, or R15. Okay, this is our R15. Enter. We will take R10, enter, R15. Okay. I hope this is okay. Now what I try to do? First, now I will take one line for tangency. Okay. So I will delete this line, or this line also delete. Okay. One more line I want for tangency. So take line, shift click, shift press, right click, tangent. Okay, this line to shift click, right click, or tangent. Okay, this point you can see here. This is our tangent. Enter. Okay, one more time. Enter, shift click, right click, tangent. this point. Okay, one more time, shift click, right click, or tangent this circle. Okay, now what I have to do, there is a R60 radius. Okay, so I want radius R60 about. Okay, so start and end point we will take first. Start, end, and angle. Okay, this is our start point. I hope this is our start point. Okay, so first I want shift right click, tangency this point, not this point, sorry, escape, start, end, and angle. Okay, so this is our first point, or this is our end point, or we will take we will off the this. Okay, so now I want how much mm? 60 mm. Okay, so this is our degree. Okay, so now what I have to do, I want only angle. Start in an angle I don't want. Start in the direction, or we will take here or here, like that. There is only angle coming. First I will see start, end, and radius. Okay, this is our point. Start, end, or radius about 60. You can see here, but there is some problem. There is a R60 radius. Okay, so what is the problem is that first right click, shift, tangent. Which line? This line. To right click, tangent this line. Okay. Wait, we will see what I have to do. Start, center, start, angle. Okay, so what is the start, center, end? Okay, first I will try to take one click, first point, or I want radius about 60. Enter, I want this point. So this has been completed, as you can see, in easy way. Okay, this I will delete. Now that time I want to do dimension. Okay, so first we will press the D, enter. I want to modify, or text I want 4 mm. Okay, arrow size I want also 3 mm. Okay, then we can work here. I want to off the trailing. As you see, primary unit will off trailing. This is on. Okay, or close. Okay, now we will show the dimension. By layer I will choose same color. Okay, whatever you want to choose you can choose. Okay, or you can see here. Okay, or now I want to do this line also. Okay, or something like that. I want to show this stone upside. Okay, but I need to show radius only as well as. So I will show the radius. This radius is about R30, or this radius, no, sorry, enter. This radius is about R8. Okay, or I want to click diameter this line, or I want 40 mm. Enter. Okay, or I will show this dimension also as well as R20. Okay, or this is our 10 diameter. So I will show the diameter. Diameter we will click, or this is our 10 diameter. You can see here. Okay, now I will show this. Enter. Diameter I want to show it 30 diameter. Enter. This point also 20 diameter, as you can see. Okay, so this is our today drawing. You can check old drawing also as well as. Okay, or this is our radius about 60. You will check radius. Okay, you can see here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Next video I will talk about same types of drawing.